Good day, my wonderful viewers. So welcome once again to Frequency Online Math. So today we are going to talk about similar triangle. So when you say that two things are similar, what does it mean? It means that they look alike, they are of the same shape, right? Maybe their shape might vary a little bit, but anyway. So let's look into similar triangles and know what similar triangles is. And with their condition for similarities of triangle, we are going to know when triangle is similar or not. You get? So now the number one condition is what we call A postulate. So angle postulate. So if you have angle like this and call it A, B, C, and have another triangle like this and call it D, E, F. Now, what is this postulate? Postulate simply means something that is true, but it is not what? Proven. As simple as that. So, this angle and this angle must be equal. Okay, let me write it here. Angle A must be congruent to what? Angle what? E. Congruent means equal, right? So, and angle C must be congruent to what? Angle C must be congruent to angle what? D. And angle B must be congruent to angle F. Must be congruent to angle what? F. To show that they are what? Similar. So, therefore, triangle ACB is similar to what? Triangle what? EDF, as you can see. So this is the first condition for similarity of what? Triangle. Let's look at the second condition. If any of, you can use any of these conditions if you want to check for similarities of a triangle. So the second condition is known as what? A postulate. This is the common one we know, that if two angles of one triangle is equal to the two angles of the other triangle, that's it means that it follows that the third pair of angle must be what? Similar. I hope you can see it from there. So that's it. This is the one we are conversant with. So let's draw it. We are going to have, can name here PRS, and we have another triangle GPF. Okay, let me use another one, GPV. So AA postulate is just trying to tell us that this angle, if it is equal to this angle, and this angle, it is equal to this angle. So angle R is congruent to what? Angle P, and angle, why am I using P? Too much. Z. So you have angle Z is congruent to what? Angle what? Sorry, angle, which one am I doing? R is congruent to what? Angle R is congruent to angle Z, because I cleaned it. Then angle P is congruent to what? Angle what? G. You see it now. So we have what? Angle postulate. So this angle is congruent to this angle. This angle is congruent to what? This angle. So we can say that, therefore, triangle RPS is similar to what? Triangle what? ZGV. I hope you can see it well. So the next postulate, which is the third one, is called side postulate. That's SSS postulate. So for example, if you have this triangle WXY and you have another triangle BAG like this. So SSS postulate is trying to tell us that if the ratio of their corresponding sides are the same, that means they are similar. So WX all over BA. If from here to here is equal to from here to here, don't mind how big or how small the triangle is. So BA is equals to WY over BG is equals to XY over what? AG. If the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, that means they are similar. Now the fourth postulate is what? SAS postulate. SAS postulate. If you have triangle like this, you can call it CAD, and we have another one BAW. So SAS postulate is trying to tell us that if you have this angle here and you have another angle here, that if angle C is congruent to angle W, that if this place is equal to this place, are you seeing it now? So, or you can even say if the ratio from here to here is the same with the ratio from here to here. If the ratio from here to here is equal to the ratio from here to here, and if the ratio from here to here is equal to the ratio from here to here, let's write it. If CA or AC over BW is equals to CD all over WA. If they are equal, they are what? Similar. Now the fifth one is if the ratio of the triangle is equals to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So for example, I have this triangle, ratio of area of triangle, let me say XYZ all over area of triangle ABC. So see the triangle here. I have the triangle here. We have X, we have Y, we have Z, right? Another one, we have A, we have B, we have what? C. So we have it like this. It depicts this angle what postulate. So we have it like this. RPS, ZG. So that's still something with it depicts it anyways. So now it came and carried the character of SSS postulate. That's the ratio. So the only difference now is that we are going to have yx squared all over BA then squared is equals to yz squared all over BC squared then which is equals to xz squared all over AC squared. So this fifth one is trying to tell us that if the ratio of the area of triangle XYZ, that's the ratio of triangle, if the ratio of the triangle, which is these two triangles, the ratio as it is illustrated here, is equals to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So squares of their corresponding sides. So you know that they are similar. So among all these 5 conditions, if it satisfies any of the condition, you know that the triangles are what? Similar. So I hope from here you have known the definition of similar triangle. You can also say that are those triangles where the ratio of their corresponding sides are what? Equal. Or you can choose any one where two angles are equal, or anyone. So thank you for watching and may God bless you. Expect examples on this video. Bye bye.